just woke up, obviously. And a two-part podcast is I'm logging it. And I should be logging Sunday too. It looks like crap right now, but we're gonna fix that. Because I just woke up, so be right back. So obviously a couple minutes have passed since the fact that I've made my bed. I'm in front of a mirror again. And gotten chips and salsa. Yeah, I don't really eat the salsa that much. And getting soda. Let me go ahead and show you my outfit today, though. Ugh, got some chips still in my teeth. Okay, so Columbia jacket, of course. Aeropostale shirt. And then I have another undershirt. This Aeropostale, like there. Pants, I don't really remember. Hold on. Oh, give me a second. You can read that. Yeah. Those are the pants. And these are the shoes. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Our doctor's berries were like a blue fish color. Well, guess what? I have 2 pairs. I know. You're looking at me like I'm spoiled. Because I am. See? It's over there. But I asked for the blue fish ones again. These I got for Christmas. I asked for those at the beginning of the school year. These I got for Christmas. Because my grandmother bought me both. But she said these would be nicer for the winter time. They're a little big on me, so I don't wear them that much. I'm waiting for like next year to wear them. But I decided to wear them today. Because, you know, winter stuff. Oh, you see that bottle right there? It's not a bottle, but a can. This is just sitting there for decoration. Because I love this. See? It's empty. And this is supposed to get hanged up in a bunch of pictures I have sitting over there. In that white container thing. And after I get all that stuff done on my wall, then I'll do a room tour. But till then, all you can see is what I show you. We haven't even seen the half of it. So yeah. You just love him, little Logan. Jasper. He wants me to go in there with him. Hola. Hey, baby. He's a lot quieter when he has a human out here with him. There, Jabba. Yeah. Eat that. Shake that. Dun 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 dun. Cute, right? So there's not quieter when I'm in here. I don't have to necessarily touch them. They just want me to be quiet and watch them. It's okay, Jasper. Your hair is so soft. It's okay, Logan. And then this is their mama. That is also the mama of the other babies, which I showed in my last vlog, if you watched it. And if you didn't, go watch it. Just eating the hay. Family activity, huh? Seriously, how can you not love that baby? The adorableness. Oh, the adorableness. Oh, so cute. So cute. Okay, so it's been about an hour or two. I wasn't really keeping track. And now I'm eating Oreos and milk. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. So good. Anyway, I think I'm gonna watch Netflix. I'll take you guys out to feed and stuff. Which means this video will probably end around 7 because I don't really do nothing else after that. I should watch more Netflix and, you know, like, take a shower and go to bed. But I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow too, so you guys won't be alone. Woo! Okay, so deuces. Okay. I don't think she wants to come out yet.
Come on, baby cakes.
I'll go get the pan. Watch the horses, Mama. Come on, goats. We gotta go get rid of the goats. 'Cause they're selling them, so we got just the babies. Come on. Hey, Tit-Tat.
You need to let Carter out. Carter, baby.
Okay. Come on. No horses, just goats. Horses not allowed. Baby cakes, out.
Come on, baby cakes. Carter.
Go. Not you, not you. You. Go. Go, 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 go. You want me to lock the horses up? Let's leave the door open. I got her.
I had a toot. I forgot, didn't you?
Watch out before it falls on me. And too much weight to be in here.
You late?
I didn't see it. It was right there. Are you El Stupido?
Stupido.
Stupido.
The stupido. A stupid A.
You're supposed to slam it. You don't know. Dumb animals like to get out. I don't think you realize goats are the dumbest.
Mac, hush.
I'm wearing my expensive
It's
clothes.
very nice on you.
Look.
Columbia. Okay. That's Mama. That looks nice on you. Tell me, Mama.
I did help her, and
Alright,
then the stupid animals knew about it.
Alright, I need to.
See, that's what happened last time. You gotta shut it quicker.
Yes, Mom.
Your fault.
Miss Oregon, Brenda. You put that ugly picture of me and you on Facebook. You was good.
I was not putting that on Facebook. I wanted it as my profile picture.
Oh no, let me tell you. Let me think. I was like, oh no, Rachel, you did.
It's on my Instagram too.
Oh, Rachel, that was a horrible picture.
No, it wasn't. It made you look like an idiot. It was
I
funny.
know, it made me look like an idiot. Just all right.
It's funny.
No, it ain't funny.
It
They
is.
were ugly.
It was very much funny because you looked like you were crazy.
I
You were like this. You were like.
know, like. Stupid.
You're an old woman. It was funny.
I know. Mama went and got hay.
Yeah, Grammy got that.
What are you doing?
I think there's a dirt storm going to go on around here. You
Dirt
see how
tornado?
you see
Whirlwind?
how bad like the wind is and everything. It's like a dirt tornado because you saw how that thing hit me so hard.
Supposed to like sleet or something Friday. I don't know.
What is
That's what
sleet?
Stupid people say. Rain that turns into anything is falling.
I thought that was hail. You gotta call out to her. She'll run you over. It's about to run into the ditch. Get what? You mean the thing? Press this button. Oh. I just shut it back. It looks like there's supposed to be a key there, but you just push it in and it comes out. That's how simple it is.
Oh god, I got kind of close to it.
Is that it?
That's it.
You almost ran over Teresa.
Had it for the thing the other day.
French.
Old country girl.
Can you see it or you cannot?
I'm using the zoom feature. Look at me, Teresa. I'm enjoying this. Look at that old woman. She moved. Ah!
Hercules!
I need a second
Yes. Hasta luego, amigos. See you soon. Not really. Goodbye, Carter. Goodbye, baby cakes. Push. I'm pushing. Is it there? Okay. That's why she has this camera. That's why she has this camera, because Rachel needs her phone charged and it's charging.
For real?
For
And
real.
what are you doing with that thing in my face? Are you recording? Huh?
It took you that long to figure that out.
God. I know you can put that thing on the Facebook.
No. Okay. Good job, Teresa. You
That's
were
a
funny.
madness.
You were funny.
I'm funny.
You're funny. You're gonna be an internet sensation.
You're
You're gonna be like the jazzercise
You're gonna be
lady.
funny when I get through with you in a minute, Mac.
Whatever, Mama.
I can't breathe.
I can still zoom in on your face no matter how far away you are. Nice. Look at how flexible this old woman is.
Woo! Put that thing away.
Okay. You got a big pudge on your stomach.
Let's see my big fat belly.
Say hi.
Hi.
And say bye. That's mine. There we go. See that? If you wait out long enough, Hunger Sharp offers you gems to play. Okay, so I went to go get food. Sorry I didn't vlog any of it, but I just didn't want to. Okay, so super simple. Bojangles, 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 Bojangles. Ruby Tuesdays, because we went to Bojangles and Ruby Tuesdays, so it's so good. Look at all that. And then I got sweet tea from Ruby Tuesdays. So that's my dinner. We were getting rid of the goats. So yeah. And I did vlog that. So yeah. Hey guys. So this is the end of my day. The only thing I'm gonna do after this is go take a shower and maybe watch Netflix some more and go to bed. But what I've done since the last time I recorded was finish my dinner, like that gigantic dinner you saw. It was good. It was real good. And I watched Netflix. I watched Orange is the New Black. Which, if you're gonna be like, that thing is old, this is my second time seeing it. I just wanted to understand their backstories better, which I did figure out some things after watching it some more, so it was very helpful. Ooh, hold on. I thought I was gonna sneeze. I'm okay. But yeah, it's the end of my day. I thought I wasn't gonna go sneeze. So, yeah.
Hey, yeah, I know the video is really long, but it's better than it being really short like my very first video, right? Yeah. So anywho, yes, today was all about the animals, and it was kind of jumping back and forth, kind of crazy. But just to confirm, because Teresa was saying Mac, and I was talking in third person when I said Rachel. Just to confirm, my name is Rachel, not Mac. Okay, it's Rachel, definitely. And yeah, and I picked this picture because we're talking about the animals today. So yeah, and yeah, go to my Instagram, check it out. It's one of my pictures, and like, favorite, share, subscribe.